Have you ever pondered how your thoughts sculpt the reality you inhabit? In this journey of discovery, we delve into the mystique of the mind's power, a realm where thoughts intertwine with the fabric of existence, weaving the tapestry of our lives. Imagine a world where your inner reflections mirror the outer realities. Today, we embark on a path to unveil how to harness this enigmatic force within us. Let us traverse the corridors of the mind, where every thought pulsates with potential. In this odyssey, witness how beliefs mold the clay of our experiences. Here, in the crucible of consciousness, thoughts crystallize into tangible forms. Understand that each thought is a whisper, echoing in the universe, manifesting in myriad ways. Embrace this truth. Our mental paradigms shape the landscapes of our lives. Like a master artist, the mind sketches the outlines of our destiny. Every dream, a blueprint. Every aspiration, a possibility waiting to unfold. In this exploration, we shall uncover the symbiosis between mind and matter. Behold the power of the psyche, a boundless wellspring of creation. So let us begin this transformative journey, discovering how to use the mind to create our reality. 1. The law of attraction manifesting thoughts into reality. Have you witnessed the magnetism of your thoughts attracting akin experiences? The law of attraction, an ancient wisdom, now a modern marvel, speaks of this magnetic power. It whispers the secret of the universe like attracts like, embedding itself in the cosmic law. Envision your aspirations as seeds, planted in the mind's fertile soil, sprouting into the garden of your life. This mystical law bridges the chasm between the realm of thoughts and the plane of tangible reality. In the dance of the cosmos, every thought emits a frequency, resonating with the universe's heartbeat. As we focus our intentions, we align with the energies that shape our destinies. Realize that each desire, when nurtured with belief, becomes a magnet drawing its essence from the ether. This principle teaches us the art of creation, where our focused thoughts mold the clay of our experiences. Here, in the workshop of the mind, we forge the destiny we seek. Like alchemists, we transmute thoughts into gold, shaping the riches of our lives. This law is the thread that weaves through the fabric of our existence, binding thought to manifestation. Embrace this wisdom, and you shall see the universe conspiring to fulfill your dreams. Understand that in the theater of life, we are both the playwright and the actor. Thus, the law of attraction is not just a theory, but a living testament to the power of thought. 2. Visualization painting reality with the mind's brush. Do you see the canvas of your mind, vivid with the hues of your deepest desires? Visualization, an artist's tool, wielded by the mind, sketches dreams into existence. Here, every stroke of thought adds color to the portrait of your life. In the gallery of the mind, your focused visions become the masterpieces of your reality. Through this process, the abstract becomes concrete, as the mind's eye guides the hand of reality. Picture your dreams in vibrant detail, each a brushstroke on the canvas of possibility. This is the art of manifesting, where inner visions give birth to external realities. Let your mind's eye wander, painting scenarios as real as the world you touch. As the painter chooses colors, so you select thoughts, creating your world stroke by stroke. The brush of imagination, dipped in the palette of your beliefs, creates your life's landscape. Visualization is not mere daydreaming. It is the architect's plan for the edifice of your life. Embrace this skill and observe as your thoughts mold the contours of your existence. With every vivid image, you beckon the universe to align with your vision. This mental alchemy transforms the intangible into the tangible, the dream into reality. Thus, visualization stands as a testament to the mind's extraordinary power to shape our world. 3. Intention setting, crafting reality with purposeful thought. Have you ever set an intention, like casting a stone into the waters of destiny? Intention setting, a deliberate act, sows the seeds of our future in the fertile ground of the present. It is the conscious choice of directing our life's narrative toward a desired end. Like an architect drafting blueprints, our intentions outline the structure of our future. In this act, every thought is intentional, every dream a deliberate creation. The power of intention lies in its clarity and focus, a laser beam guiding us towards our aspirations. By setting intentions, we chart the course of our journey, navigating through the sea of possibilities. This is the rudder of our ship, steering us through the waves of circumstance. Intentions are more than wishes. They are commitments to our desired outcomes. With each intention, we declare to the universe our plans, inviting it to conspire in their realization. This practice transforms the abstract into action, the thought into motion. In the symphony of life, our intentions are the notes that compose the melody of our experiences. Let your intentions be clear and resonant, echoing through the corridors of possibility. In the garden of the mind, intention is the water that nurtures the seedlings of our dreams. Embrace the art of intention setting and watch as the universe aligns to bring your visions to life. 4. Mindfulness, the art of conscious awareness. Have you ever paused to breathe in the essence of the present moment? Mindfulness, the art of conscious awareness, anchors us in the now, the cradle of reality. It teaches us to experience life in its purest form, unclouded by past regrets or future anxieties. In this state, every sensation, thought, and emotion is observed with clarity and acceptance. Mindfulness is the lens through which the beauty of the present becomes vivid and alive. It is in this awareness that we find the power to shape our thoughts and, in turn, our reality. By being present, we align with the flow of life, harmonizing our inner world with the outer. This practice is a sanctuary, a refuge from the tumult of the untrained mind. In the stillness of mindfulness, we discover the whispers of our true intentions and desires. Here, in the quietude of the now, the mind becomes a fertile ground for transformation. Mindfulness is not passive. It is an active engagement with the present, a dance with reality. As we become more aware, our perceptions shift, and with them, the world around us transforms. This journey of mindfulness is an odyssey into the heart of existence, a path to true understanding. Embrace this art, and you will find serenity and power in the simplicity of being. Thus, mindfulness becomes a key to unlocking the potential of the mind in creating our lived experience. 5. Belief systems, the framework of our reality. Have you ever questioned the lenses through which you view the world? Belief systems, the frameworks of our reality, shape our perceptions and experiences. They are the foundations on which our thoughts, actions, and realities are built. Like invisible architects, our beliefs construct the world we experience. Every belief is a brick, laying the structure of our personal universe. Our realities bend and shift according to the beliefs we hold dear. By examining and reshaping these beliefs, we can alter the landscape of our lives. It is in the alchemy of belief where thoughts transmute into tangible experiences. Beliefs are not just thoughts. They are the blueprints of our destiny. As we change our beliefs, we rewrite the script of our existence. This is the power of belief to shape, to mold, to create. Challenge your beliefs, and you challenge the very nature of your reality. In the garden of the mind, beliefs are the soil in which possibilities grow. Cultivate beliefs that empower, uplift, and transform. Thus, our belief systems are not just perceptions, but the very tools with which we carve our reality. 6. Emotional intelligence, navigating life's waters with heart and mind. Have you felt the tides of emotions guiding or misguiding your journey through life? Emotional intelligence, the harmony of heart and mind, offers a compass for this voyage. It involves understanding, managing, and harnessing emotions to enrich our life's narrative. Like skilled sailors, we must learn to navigate the emotional currents, not be swept away by them. Emotional intelligence is the bridge connecting our inner turmoil and external peace. It teaches us to respond, not react, to the ebb and flow of emotional waves. In this mastery lies the ability to influence our reality through controlled emotional expression. Our emotions, when understood, can become powerful allies in manifesting our desires. Emotional intelligence allows us to perceive the world with empathy and clarity. It empowers us to create strong, meaningful connections, enriching our life's tapestry. By mastering our emotions, we unlock a deeper level of consciousness and understanding. This journey of emotional awareness is a path to self-discovery and true power. Embrace this wisdom and watch as your emotional landscape transforms your reality. In the realm of the mind, emotional intelligence is the beacon that guides us to our true potential. 7. Positive thinking, the alchemy of optimism. Have you ever noticed how a single positive thought can illuminate the darkest of moments? Positive thinking, the alchemy of optimism, transforms the lead of negativity into the gold of possibility. It is not mere naivety, but a powerful tool in crafting our life's narrative. Like a beacon in the night, positive thoughts guide us through the shadows of doubt and fear. This practice involves recognizing the silver linings, even in the stormiest of skies. Positive thinking is the language of hope, speaking to the universe with a clear, affirmative voice. It is the spark that ignites the fire of change, burning away the old to make way for the new. In the garden of the mind, positive thoughts are the sunlight, nurturing growth and transformation. This mindset creates a ripple effect, influencing our actions and, subsequently, our reality. Embracing positivity opens doors to opportunities, previously hidden by the fog of pessimism. This is not just about feeling good, it's about creating a fertile ground for good to flourish. In the symphony of life, positivity is the melody that harmonizes our inner and outer worlds. Let your thoughts be imbued with positivity, and watch as your world transforms around them. Positive thinking is the compass that directs us to the shores of our desired destiny. Thus, the art of positive thinking is essential in the journey of using the mind to create our reality. 8. The power of words, crafting reality with language. Have you ever pondered the weight of your words, how they shape the air and reality alike? The power of words, a tool of creation, molds our experiences with every utterance. Words are not mere sounds. They are the architects of our beliefs, actions, and ultimately, our reality. Like a potter with clay, our language shapes the world we inhabit. Each word is a brushstroke on the canvas of existence, painting our life's story. Positive language builds bridges to desirable futures, while negative words can construct walls around us. In the realm of the mind, words are the spells that bring thoughts to life. Speak with intention, for every word is a seed planted in the garden of the universe. Our dialogues and monologues are the narrative threads weaving the tapestry of our days. The words we choose are the colors with which we paint our personal reality. In the symphony of life, our words are the notes that resonate with the energy of creation. Language is not just a means of communication. It is a powerful creator of our experiential world. Let your words be aligned with your highest intentions, echoing the truths of your soul. In the art of living, mastering the power of words is mastering the art of creation. Thus, understanding and utilizing the power of words is crucial in the journey to create our reality. 9. Gratitude, the magnet for miracles. Have you ever felt the transformative power of gratitude, turning the ordinary into the extraordinary? Gratitude, the magnet for miracles, attracts abundance and joy into our lives. It's more than a feeling. It's a state of being that resonates with the energy of the universe. In the practice of gratitude, we acknowledge and appreciate the blessings that surround us. This act of thankfulness shifts our focus from lack to abundance, from scarcity to plenty. Gratitude opens the heart, allowing us to receive and recognize the gifts of life. Like a beacon, it signals the universe to send more of what we appreciate and value. It turns what we have into enough and more, transforming our perspective and reality. In the symphony of life, gratitude is the harmony that aligns us with the rhythm of prosperity. This attitude of gratitude creates a ripple effect, influencing our thoughts, actions, and outcomes. By being grateful, we tune into the frequency of abundance, inviting more to be grateful for. Gratitude is not just thankfulness, it's a powerful catalyst for positive change. Let your heart overflow with gratitude and watch as your world transforms in reflection. In the art of conscious creation, gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to abundance. Thus, cultivating a mindset of gratitude is essential in using the mind to create a fulfilling reality. 10. Meditation, the gateway to inner wisdom and outer reality. Have you ever journeyed within through the gateway of meditation to explore the vastness of your own mind? Meditation, more than a practice, is a voyage to the depths of the self and the heights of reality. It is in this inner sanctum that we encounter the core of our being and the essence of creation. Through meditation, we transcend the chatter of the mind, reaching a state of pure consciousness. In this realm of stillness, insight surface, guiding us in the art of reality creation. Meditation is the meeting point of the inner and outer worlds, where thoughts manifest as experiences. It allows us to align with our true intentions, harmonizing them with the universe's rhythm. This practice is not an escape, but a deeper engagement with the truths of our existence. In the silence of meditation, we hear the whispers of wisdom, offering guidance and clarity. Here we learn the language of the soul, translating its desires into our lived reality. Meditation opens the doors to intuition, the inner compass guiding our journey through life. It teaches us to create not just with the mind, but with the heart, in sync with the cosmic flow. Let meditation be your sanctuary, a place of peace and power. In the art of reality creation, meditation is the canvas where dreams take shape. Thus, embracing meditation is key to unlocking the mind's potential in sculpting our reality. Conclusion: embracing the power within. As we conclude this journey, let us reflect on the profound wisdom we've explored. Each subtopic, a thread in the intricate tapestry of using the mind to create our reality. We've journeyed through the realms of attraction, visualization, intention, and mindfulness. Explored the foundations of belief, the dance of emotions, and the alchemy of positivity. We've understood the power of words, the magnetism of gratitude, and the gateway of meditation. These tools and insights are not just concepts, but living energies that shape our existence. They remind us that we are not mere spectators, but active creators of our lives. Our reality is a reflection of our inner world, a mirror showing the truth of our thoughts and beliefs. Embrace this knowledge and step into the role of the architect of your destiny. Use these teachings to weave the fabric of your life with intention, wisdom, and love. Let this understanding empower you, filling you with awe at the magic of creation. Remember, the power to shape your reality lies within, a treasure waiting to be unlocked. As you move forward, carry this wisdom like a lantern, illuminating your path. In the art of living, know that your mind is the brush and reality is your canvas. May this journey awaken your spirit, inspire your heart, and transform your reality.